Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County in central Delaware. This includes the city of Dover, southern Newcastle County, and northern Delaware until 6:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located west of Hartley and moving east at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Dover Speedway and Rising Sunshine around 5:40 p.m., 8 miles north of Fowers around 5:50 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds and cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Newcastle. At 5 p.m. at Eastern Maryland, it was mostly from the National Weather Service.